Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I have another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal hurricane. And so what you're going to need, you'll need some of these crystal beaded strands. And these are from Efavormart. You'll also need some of these crystal star pendants. And these are also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're going to also need some rhinestone pendants. I have the oval shaped pendants here, and this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event supplies and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you'll need one of these tall glass hurricanes. And if you choose to make a pedestal, which is optional, you could use one of these glass Tealight holders, or you could use this crackle candle holder from Dollar Tree as well. And from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones here. These are the large peel and stick gemstones. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete this beautiful hurricane, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this crystal hurricane turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now you could use this as a very subtle or non-traditional table decor for, say, 4th of July, something patriotic because of the stars. You could make as many of them as you want and just run them right down the center of a table. That'd be really beautiful, and put some little white lights in them. Be really beautiful. But anyway, let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Okay, well there you have it, guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.